Hello everyone! From an emerging singer to one of the Hollywood's newest rising stars, Miles Cotton is making headlines everywhere. Today let's explore his real lifestyle, career, family and net worth in 2026. Miles Cotton lifestyle. Early life of Miles Cotton. Miles Cotton was born in United States and developed a passion for music and performing from a young age. Growing up in a sporty family, he spent much of his childhood singing in church and performing at local events, where his natural talent began to shine. Education. Miles completed his education in the United States while actively participating in music and performing art. He continued to develop his vocal and acting abilities through practical experience and professional training. Career of Miles Cotton. Miles Cotton first gained recognition as a talented singer, performing alongside well-known artists during concerts and live events. His major acting breakthrough came when he starred as Sammy Murray in the 2025 film Sinners, directed by Ryan Coogler and featuring Michael B. Jordan. His performance earned widespread praise and established him as one of the Hollywood's most promising actors' talent. Family of Miles Cotton. Miles comes from a sportive American family that encouraged his musical and artistic ambitions. He prefers to keep detail about his parents and siblings private. Ethnicity. Miles Cotton is American and is of African American heritage. Marital status. As of 2026, Miles Cotton is not married and has not publicly confirmed being in a relationship. He remains focused on his music and acting career. Some hobbies. During his free time, he enjoys singing, songwriting, traveling, fitness, playing musical instruments, and spending time with family and friends. Social media fans following. Miles has rapidly gained a growing fan base across social media. His success, his music and breakthrough role have attracted thousands of new followers from around the world. Cars collection. There is no verified public information about Miles Cotton's cars collection. He maintains a relatively private lifestyle and rarely shares detail about luxury possessions. Some interesting facts. Fact number 1. He began his career as a professional singer. Fact number 2. His acting debut came in the film Sinners 2025. Fact number 3. He has performed with several well-known musicians. And fact number 4. He is considered one of the Hollywood's fastest rising young stars. At last of them, let me know about his total net worth. As of 2026, Miles Cotton's estimated net worth is between $500,000 to $2 million. His income comes from acting, music, performance, and brand collaborations. With his career growing rapidly, his net worth is expected to rise in the coming years. So, that was the inspiring journey of Miles Cotton. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more celebrity lifestyle stories. Thanks for watching.